an unbelievable new live show.
I don't like the little Amy.
It's not looking so live.
Yeah,
Anyway,
down here.
behind this high fantasy of a gold rush frontier town lies a sinister secret.
Somebody stole it before.
Yeah?
I see one in
It is smack dab in the center of the beautiful opposite. What's a bad miracle?
I need a purse.
You're about to find out. Welcome to the world of gold.
What's going on?
Look, this might be more serious than I thought. What just happened? This is a secure line. Who are you? I'll tell you who I am, boy.
Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, would you mind doing me a couple of favors? Click the like button, leave a comment below the video, click that subscribe button, and click the bell icon. You are all so wonderful and have a magical rest of your day. Bye.